Hello everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. Today I'm just going to show you a simple hack, simple trick that I'm going to do for one of my cakes that I'm decorating. So I need chocolate barks to put on my cake, and as usual I decided I was not going to buy, so I'm going to make my own at home. So with this one it's very simple. All you need is chocolate. So this is baking chocolate. It's found in the baking aisle. Try and buy a good one. This has got 22% cocoa. So get anything that has up to 50%. Don't go for more because then the taste just will be a bit bitter. So this is the milk type. Depending on what you like, you can also get the dark chocolate or you can get the white one. You can go for this same brand or you can go for a different brand. It's up to you, but quality matters. So try and go for the good chocolate. It's a very simple recipe. So all you need is your chocolate. You need baking paper or parchment paper where you're going to put your melted chocolate. You also need a heat-proof bowl where you will melt your chocolate. So you can either melt your chocolate in the microwave or you can put the bowl on top of a pot with boiling water, but make sure that the bowl that you're using is not actually sitting on the water, and it also has to be heat proof, otherwise there'll be a disaster there. I'm going to just melt mine in the microwave. If you're using the microwave, make sure you do 30 seconds at a time, take it out and then stir to just make sure that it just melts and you don't overdo it. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So I'm going to take just half, so about 100 grams, the chocolate. So I've got half my chocolate. So I've got my chocolate now. I'm gonna pop it in the microwave. So I've got my chocolate here, it's ready. This was melted for 1 minute, but split up into 30 seconds each. And so now what I'm going to do is, I told you I'm trying to make barks. So barks, you know, the barks from a tree, if you've ever seen them. So I'm going to put the chocolate on the parchment paper, spread it out, and then I'll show you what to do next. So using a spoon, I'm just going to scoop some chocolate. And then now using a spatula, I'm going to spread this chocolate out. So now I've got my chocolate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my parchment paper, and I'm going to fold it using the short side. So that's the one where I'm going to fold from. Once I've got it folded, I'm going to pop it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes, but if you want the process to be quicker, you can pop it into the freezer for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge now, and I'll be back to show you in about 30 minutes. We are ready to review our surprise. So we'll open it up slowly. Okay, and it's all out. So there we go. We have our chocolate barks. So this is how you make it. So these are the barks that I am going to use on my cake to decorate. So if you want to know how I'm going to use them, stay tuned for my next video. But there you go, I've just taught you a simple and quick hack. Rather than buying this, you can make it yourself. Hope you enjoyed.